Okay, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get the mathematical symbol. You go to Insert, then you look at equations over here. If you want the regular, like times and the symbols like these, you know, you could just press the symbol button. But if you really want the equations, press that equation. We'll go back over that again. Press this. This is going to get something like this. And then you click on it. And then you can type, let's say you want to type fractions. You have the different types of fractions. I mean, this is definitely higher level, right? But if you want regular fractions like these, that one is the most used one. You click on top, type in 3, go below, type 4. You click on the right hand side of your mouse there, and you can type anything else. X, Y, Z, right? Of course, you can experiment with that. So let's go again, Insert. Just click on Home and pin this. All right, so let's go back to Insert. Go here. Now what else if you want something like maybe like a power, you can put in a quantity here, like 4 to the second power, fourth power, 4 to the second power. All right, so some very useful. If you want brackets, for instance, you can click on this, right, and you enter. So if you want, let's say maybe a formula, so like you get the brackets here, you can click on this, you can integrate them, and then click on the fraction. What it's going to do is going to insert the fraction within this bracket. See? And then you can put whatever you want in there now, like b over 4 and so forth. All right, so some very useful little tricks. I think this is the only bracket you'll probably use, right? Yeah. And then if you want something like, let's see, you can type A. You want this multiplication symbol is different from the other one in symbols. If you want to use a less than or equal sign, right? This one say A is less than or equal to 3, right? Unless you want to use the greater than sign. If you want to press R is greater than or equal to, right? 7. Let's say you want to use the probability. Let's say you want to put let's go back to Insert and then press P, open bracket. You want a height that is greater than or equal to, okay, say less than or equal to 168, close bracket, press equal, and then you press the fraction button now. I'm going to put it as a fraction, and then it's going to be like 16 out of 56. You press to the side, you press the multiplication button here, and then press 100%. Right, you get a percent sign on your keyboard. Let's say you don't want to use a keyboard. Let's click on this down, and you can look at the different symbols that they offer here. All right, basic math, percent sign there. Pretty useful, right? If you want to include, let's say you want to draw something here, Insert, take a hold of this, Insert, go to shapes, and here you can do designs if you want to, right? Design a nice histogram with this, copy, paste, right? Put this one right there, then carry this one down a little bit maybe, right? Then you copy and paste this one, put it next to it. You want to put this one on the side maybe here, drag this one there like that, or make it shorter like that, depending on whatever you're working with. So there are different things you can do. You probably have your one for this at the side. Okay, follow me, just take it up, get up there like that. You can double click on this and then increase the thickness of that line. Let's probably want to change the color, probably to black or something to differentiate them. All right? Okay, we click on this, and press, and then copy, then paste. Press Control, hold on Control on your keyboard, and then press V. Then you can put this to go horizontally. You put this here. Little tricks they could have done that, Let's say you want these to have some borders. Right click on it. Alright. Right click on that. And then click on outline. So outline we want. Yeah, I think so, yeah, that makes sense. Right click, sorry about that. This one probably gonna give me a little, probably ask me what I'm trying to do here. Alright, so it's not working. Okay, alright, so you're back. Alright, let's try to do it one by one. Outline. We have, the outline color. I'll use black there. This one, outline color. Probably won't increase the thickness of this. Let's see. Yeah. This one, increase the thickness of this. Get the black color. Alright. Right. You know what I mean? And then you can go here now. And you click on this. And probably go there. So you type in 36.5 for instance, if that's your boundary, you know what I mean? And then you go here, put it down here, 36.5.